I'm Emma Kumar. I'm working as an open source developer in ZipKits for past 5 months. Now I'm going to talk about column chart, which this control always represents data as a series of vertical columns, which as the height is determined by values in the data. It also represents a variety of charts like symbol columns, clustered columns, stacked, 100% stacked, and high-low values, which is as the property as series. It all contains an array of column series objects. And this concept I am using Flex Builder, where I am giving within the script as import mx collections at array collection, and for the variable I am giving as expenses, which is the new array collection, and I am giving some data as month, profit, expenses. After that script I am giving two solid colors and two strokes, which is that expenses and profits, that indication has to be there, so that's why I am giving. And for this, after that I am giving panel which has the title as column chart control with custom column styles, and for the column chart tag I am using here as id as column chart, which has data provider, this expenses has to get, and for the show data tips as true. And for the horizontal axis I am using category axis, which has the data provider as expenses, and I am giving here as category field as month, which is this data has to get. And after that I am using column series, which has the x field as month, y field as profit, and for the display name as profit. For the fill I am using here solid color 1, this id, and for the stroke also stroke 1, which this id I am getting. And another column series which has the x field as month and y field as expenses, and for the display name as expenses, and the fill as solid color 2 and stroke as stroke 2, this one. And after that I am closing it, and I am giving legend as data provider, which is the column chart id has to get. Now we can see the output where I am using, this is the title column chart control with custom column styles, which this is the variances that business people can see, profit, expenses, and this, in this sense they can view the monitor their profit where the turnover is in every month. In this way that column chart used in very effective manner. Thank you friends. In case you have any queries, please contact my blog emakumar.wordpress.com. Otherwise you can mail to me my mail id s.emakumar@gmail.com. Thank you.